Hey, want to come with me to the computer store? I need to get some Microsoft software for my computer.
You actually still buy the software?
What else is there?
Well, you can use free software. Are you familiar with the open source movement?
No, what's that?
Well, it is a movement and a philosophy that basically wants the use of open source licenses for a lot of software that allows you or me or anyone to use it and modify it as the source code is available.
Sounds confusing.
A little, but not really. It allows users to share with each other, and users have the right to the program's methodology. When you buy your Microsoft product, you only have the right to its functions.
Wow. That is really interesting. So programmers and users can develop and exchange programming codes with each other.
Exactly, and the idea is to have better programs and help people work together.
Is this something new?
Not really. Two different groups were doing this in the 1970s and 80s. This guy, Richard Stallman, some genius from MIT, started the GNV Project and Free Software Foundation with the goal of creating a free operating system, and he used the general public license as the software license to prohibit prioritization of the software, but allow redistribution and modification.
What was the other group?
They were in California at Berkeley. The Computer Science Research Group, and made improvements to AT&T's original operating system called Unix. They developed apps called BSD Unix.
So what happened?
In the 90s, improvements were made and the name open source was created by people in the free software movement in Palo Alto, California, in reaction to Netscape's January 1998 announcement of a source code release for Navigator. The business world tried to keep free technology from being installed. There's a lot of controversy over the free software or open source movement.
Of course, keyword is free. Bill Gates won't like that.
Well, true. And there is a major difference in philosophy, and our rights in the free software community now distinguishes itself from the open source community. The free software is against proprietary software and believe it is unethical and violates freedom of speech.
Really? I guess this was something the founding fathers couldn't have thought of.
That's for sure, and there have been many legal issues.
I'm sure there are. I didn't know you were such a computer geek.
Actually, I'm not, but I came across all this information on Wikipedia, and guess what? It's open source.
That's pretty interesting.
So is Firefox, Mozilla, and many others.
But how do these programmers make money?
Many don't. And you're right, that could be an issue in the future. But I think there will eventually be some sort of blending of the open source and proprietary software. Microsoft is already moving in that direction.
So you will come with me to get my Microsoft program?
Sure, why not? Let's check out where the closest store is.
Okay, I will open it up on Mozilla now and then Google it.